mine in Abu Dhabi. Silly me. Odd woman like me is only in her 20s. Right, just doing stuff like that. So then today I'm going to be playing my wee brother. I think it is. Are you my wee brother? I don't know. So
I'm not your wee brother.
I'm no. Oh well. So I'm going to be playing that. I've got my customized gold controller. And then, I just chipped over the hair. So then, I'm going to be winning against him. Or her. Yeah, her.
Fraser.
And then, I'll be doing that. And once I'll be doing that, I'll be scoring loads of goals. I mean, loads. And it'll be against Man United, because it's Man United versus Man United. Look, Man United versus Man United. So see? Right? So then, I'm going to be playing this, and then you can see my reaction. So I'm just going to be like, I tell you, no, you ain't getting that ball off of me. So, yeah, we got a person starting off. Pass to him, yeah, do that. Then pass to him. Now give it to the goalie. Now pass. Wow, he missed. The goalie missed. The goalie actually missed the shot. Oh my lord. Right, look at him. Oh no, he just done me in. Oh, what a save! What a save we did me! Wait, oh no. Here you go. Oh yeah, what a save we did me! Score! Yay! I'm winning! Yeah, Gucci top. I got my Gucci top on, and then got my Louis Vuitton hat on. Then I got my Pandora. Is that how you say it? Right, give it back to you. Now, striker who's wearing a different kit. Oh my god! What a goal! Oh, and the crowd goes wild. 2-0 to me. Oh, yeah. I'm winning. None of you can beat me. Go! Bang again. I'm winning. He's terrible. I'm winning. Now, nothing you can do about it. I'm winning, and I don't care what you say, but I don't care. Seriously. And all you haters, I'm winning 3-0. Is it 3-0? I think it's Zera. That's it. 3-0. I'm winning 3-0. I know that. Right, let's pass to you, then pass to you, then give it to my striker. Get in. I keep doing skills and everything.
Pass to me, a wee top.
Oh, get done. Oh no! Whoa, penalty! Yeah, it's a penalty to me! Yeah! He's taking it on the other side of going down thing. Pass to you, then pass back to you, striker. Get done. Ooh. Not back. Woo! Yeah! Go on, striker! Oh, he's just gonna do that. Oh, no. It's my wee pal, Jimmy. Go on, Jimmy, do here. Right, boom. Oh, no. Oh, silly me. Oh, be silly me. Ha, he just missed. I want to see na.
That's an open goal.
No, he didn't. It was my goal. Anyway, where's your really nice stuff? You said you'd be wearing really nice stuff. Oh, yeah. Come on. Bang! Score! Yeah! It's a goal! Where's me, Jimmy? Oh, wait, Jimmy's away on holiday, isn't he? He's away.
No, I'm not away on holiday, bro.
You know me, Jimmy. So shut it, you. Right. So we'll be playing. This time I'm going to be doing. Computer. It's a computer, isn't it? I mean, you said it's a computer, so I'm going to play it as a computer. Like, so to do that. Oh, what a save we Jimmy. Oh, Oh, come on. Oh, what a save we Jimmy. Come on. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Right, this is how you play it into I think. Oh, no, he's about to score. And, it's a penalty. Right, I'll film the penalty. That's me, by the way, in the red kit. Where's my striker? He just got sent off. Marcus Rashford. And Marcus Rashford has been injured. And he also gets sent off at the same time. Look at that. Look at that. Terrible. Right there. He's going to score. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. I mean, like, what? Why is it a free kick? Wait, is it a red card? I think it's a red card. Right, let's go on. Chef Romelu. Oh, why didn't you cook me my dinner? Right, Matty Jim. Right, this video is going to be like 3 hours long. Oh, well. I got my specs on, even though I can't see them, but oh well. So I'm going to be doing that. Whoopoo! Get done! Oh my, you just gave the ball away, your other team. Right, I'm probably going to have to take a hissy fit because I'm 3-0 up. I mean, that's so bad. Like, I'm on the counter attack. You. Be quiet, you. Right, so I'm going to win this match. Whatever happens, I'm going to win. And then I'm going to have help by this wee guy here. He's going to come back Man United. So then that means I can win. He's playing for Portugal right now. So, yeah, he plays for Portugal. He's my wee pal named Jimmy Ronaldo. His signatures are 9. And look at him. He's really ugly. I don't like him. He's uglier than my last boyfriend. Oh, my last boyfriend was an idiot.
Your ex-boyfriend's gay.
How do you know? Right, I need to get him. Right, that's it. Go on for him, striker. You're acting like an old man, but oh well. That's it. Why? How come my striker can use his hands, by the way? Like, my striker can actually use his hands. Look, my striker's using his hands.
Pass to me.
No, I'm going to score. Oh no, my camera. Right, there we go. Oh, my striker's got it, and he scored. He scored again. He actually scored again. Wow, look at that goal. What a goal. Oh, what was that? You missed an open goal again. Oh, come on. Like, seriously? Why are you number 22? Why can't you be 3 years old? Because you are 3 years old. Like my wee sonny Jim. And his name's Cristiano Ronaldo. That's my son's name. Right, that's it. Get in. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, what is that? That's amazing. Oh, he's over again. He's over again. He's done it. He's done it. Oh no! Your striker's got it and used his hands. Why if they gave a free kick? That's no fair. Like, that's no fair. Why is your daily blind person running? It's daily blind. I mean, come on. Oh, that's surely a green card. Surely a green card. Come on, that's surely a green card. Yup, it's green. Perfect decision, ref. Why are you wearing a brown top? That's disgusting. Like you got it from Primark. and you got it at the kids section. Why you paused it? Why did you
And I'm
pause
putting
it?
on, this guy's so good.
Who's Jimmy? Right, I need to get my striker up again.
This guy's got the best hair ever.
Really? I'm gonna put on a guy called Martia. Oh yeah, that's like my friend Martia. And then we'll put on a guy called Carrie for Lukaka. And then Dar, we'll put on a guy called Dar for Joan. There we go. What a team is that? Oh wait, that looks like my home. That's it. Give it to Martia. Martia's running with the ball. Go on, Martia. Martina. What? Is it Louis Vuitton? Do you have any Louis Vuitton for sale? Because I really like them. I need them for going out with my pals to the nightclub tonight. So if any of you have got them, oh, why is the game stopped? Oh no. Well, I guess that's the whole game then. So I hope all you enjoyed the video. So I've got my pal here in the background named Giella. And it's February 8th right now. So I hope you all can get my merch. Here it is here. It's Sheldon like Asda and all that. So like £3.80 out the kids section. So you need to go to the kids section, right? So you can
It's
get
not
my
done.
hat.
The game's not
Then-
done.
I don't care, it is to me because I won 5-0. So then, yeah, I've got my nice Gucci top, my nice Louis Vuitton glasses, my Clarix hair extension, and then I got my Gucci hat as well because I'm Little Pump. Go and check out my new song called Gucci Gang because I got the Gucci stuff. You know, I got the game. Ow! I have to go away to get my mummy a boo-boo. Right, goodbye.